getting like leaking or clogs on that needle. So I'm going to check around with the lemon dust pixie, and you feel it any way that you feel like the gap that's scratchy, you can definitely feel it in. Each time you're gonna use just a little go a long way. You don't want it using too much. That way is going to flood your crystal. You want to use enough to protect and seal in. You don't want to coat on the top of pixie because it's gonna just make your pixie dull. All right, that in your sub box. Okay, here for 60 seconds. Oh my gosh, this is so stunning. Very curious about how I... Oh, look at this. That is what I got in my box. I can't wait because there are like 100 different charms designs on the subscription box. So you might get 5 different ones on me, or you might have the same. Please love it that we can able to do this variety, because then that way everybody can create their own stunning, cool, different designs without look identical. That's just make unique for every single of us. So I'm gonna check in with this beautiful designs. It's a lot of cool going on here. I'm gonna seal on this metal piece on this crown. And oh, hold on, I'm gonna put the little beads in here. But I will go ahead and seal all the beads and frame, because I don't want it to get tarnished. And also go around with the crystal. Don't squeeze it on the top of the crystal. Just go around to make sure that it is going to seal on the base, so then it's not catching any clothes. Putting in this cutie right there, and then I'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. And also you can always go back and cure and feel it more as you needed it, but just flash cure for 10 seconds, and then you can do another one. I'm so excited with this box because I get really cool ideas for next. Sometimes it's getting really cool and a surprise for the box unboxing, because I didn't know what it's really like, what I getting on the box. Well, I know that it's Halloween theme and a different list on the websites, but I know that my box will have some really cool charms, but I'm not sure exactly identical which one it is. So that is the best thing about it. That's the best thing about it's really cool with the subscription box. You know, but you kind of know, but you kind of like excited and not sure, not know. This is the